with a favorite Temptress. Gates open, they're up and racing. Di ko akalain. Temptress running by the rail. Iwo Jima Isari outside. Then racing in Port Pag-asa. Salvatore and Daman Surya is running at the tail of the field as they head to the last 900. Iwo Jima in command, followed by Di ko akalain. Temptress is by the rail, racing in Poris Pag-asa. Daman Surya second last, and Salvatore now in behind them, rounding at the last 600. Di ko akalain. Iwo Jima is sorry outside. Temptress racing in third by the rail. Pag-asa moving a party outside. Daman Surya and Salvatore as they rounded the last 450. We have Di ko akalain. Temptress running by the rail. Pag-asa moving a party outside. Iwo Jima drops back in Port. Daman Surya with the last 200 meters more to run. We have entry number 5, Di ko akalain. Temptress running by the rail. Pag-asa is sorry outside with 75 meters more to run. Di ko akalain. Pag-asa is sorry outside, and finally, Di ko akalain. Pag-asa, Temptress, Iwo Jima, Salvatore, and Daman Surya comes in last.
Fourth choice yata yun.
Ah.